All right, what's going on YouTube? I'm gonna show you guys how to set up a gravity fed water flow into an electric pressure washer, a Ryobi 1600 psi. Let me show you guys real quick the base that I have on my truck. I have 1/2-inch plywood running all across the 6-foot long bed, and for my water tank base I put a 2x4s and a 2x6 underneath another piece of plywood for my water tank. So this is where it'll sit right here. So it'll lift it up, and I'll show you guys why in a second. All right guys, so here we have it. I got my water tank on top already. So check it out. This is how high it's sitting. It's about a 3 to 3.5 inches up from the primary base I have. And the reason being is because if you're gonna gravity feed, you want your water flow level or higher than your pressure washer. So here's my pressure washer, here's my inlet for the water, and this is how level, sort of level it is. And I'll show you guys my fittings I have right now, how I set it up, and how it works. All right, so here we have the water tank. I already bought it like that. It came with a 1 by 3/4 bushing with it. All I did was buy this nipple at Home Depot that pretty much allows me to get my 3/4 inch ball valve put it in, obviously put tape, put that in. I got my valve open and close, and then I attached another nipple to it that's officially gonna strap up to my pressure washer. And I'll show you guys the process right now once I tape everything up. So once I connect this, you're gonna have to bring it down a little bit, but it's not a lot of pressure that it puts on it, so it's totally fine. Once I have everything wrapped up, ready to go with tape and everything, I'll show you guys how it gets done. All right guys, here it is. I got this nipple fitting on with some tape. Gonna go ahead and put on my ball valve. It's a 3/4 ball valve. This handle cut off, I'll explain it in another video, but go ahead and get this thing going nice and easy. Get the threads going on in real good, hand tight. You don't really have to go crazy with wrenches and all sorts of stuff. Okay, that's pretty good right there. And then same thing for this one. Tape, we'll put on tape, and then we'll connect the pressure washer right now. I'm gonna try and set up the phone. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can see it right there, but here we go. See, I'm not no plumber, but pretty self-explained. And I don't even put a lot, to be honest. That's it right there. Boom, I got this going. Bring my pressure washer. You're gonna have to lift a little, or you either just drop this down, and from there you can start tightening. Boom. Pretty tight right there. This is it right here. No hose, no pump, none of that needed. Just straight from the water tank, open and close ball valve, straight to the pressure washer. All right, guys, got some water in there. Filled up a little more than I anticipated to, but that's all right. I've already got my hose plugged in. Let's connect my gun real quick. And we'll be ready to go. Okay. Let's get this generator going. Fuel, ignition. So I got my generator going. I already got it plugged into the pressure washer. Got my gun going. We're gonna open up the valve, turn on the pressure washer, and see how it works. No pump needed, no hosing needed, no water pump, gravity fed. Works like nothing. Works like a champ. No leaks. I know some people say you're not supposed to put PVC into metal and stuff like that. Well, for me, it works fine. Just put on some tape. Make sure the threads are going in nice and smooth. You shouldn't have a problem at all. Gravity fed, no pump needed. Start your small detailing business. Works perfectly fine. Again, water tank, opening ball valve, pressure washer, ready to go. There you guys have it. Any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit that like button. It'll probably be my first video, so more videos to come on my setup, and I'll show you guys the side hustle I got going on.